Now, let's look at the workflow for instances where the issue isn't resolved and a repeat dispatch is needing to be set up on the unit being repaired. When asked if the unit is resolved and you select No, you are taken to a screen inquiring as to whether you'd like to create a new dispatch. If you select No, you will be routed to the diagnostic screen we've previously reviewed to add all diagnostics run on the unit throughout the troubleshooting process. If you select Yes, you are presented with a system service tag, current DPS number, and service type, which offers you a drop-down selection of what type of repeat service you would like to set up. Please note, if the system is out of warranty, or if you are not allowed to create a repeat dispatch for any other reason, you will be presented with messaging stating the DSPQ is needing to be contacted for further assistance. Additionally, units that are on their third or more dispatch, or where their warranty entitlement does not offer on-site service, may only present depot as an option. You can choose to communicate this option to the customer or contact the DSPQ for further assistance. Once you've selected the appropriate service type, click Next to proceed. The next screen provides you with a list of previous dispatched parts along with all platform parts affiliated with this system type. You can simply select the item and check the corresponding box for the part needed along with the quantity of the item. Please note that most parts have a View Image button below them, which when pressed shows an image or several images of the part to ensure you're selecting the correct commodity. If the part you're needing is not listed, you can scroll to the bottom of the page, select Add Part manually, and choose the item you're looking for along with a brief description. Once the correct parts and quantities have been selected, click Next to advance. Note, if you are only selecting a part which has previously been sent, you will be presented with an option to record whether the initial part was missing, wrong, or damaged, or dead on arrival. If a new part has been chosen, you are taken to a screen showing the part requested, its part number and description, and a box in which you are asked to enter or scan the PPID of the defective part. Once populated, click Next. From here, you are taken to the diagnostic page and are asked to add all diagnostic types and the result reached that are warranting the request for the additional dispatch. When the diagnostic type used is selected and the result Fail is chosen, you are asked to enter the error code and validation code from your tests. Like before, if multiple diagnostic tests are run, please ensure that they are all added to this list for the record. Once populated completely, you can select Next. The next page requests a description of the problem, all troubleshooting notes, and further instructions to accurately repair the unit. Once all fields have been complete, select Next. As with the service report, the next screen allows the user to upload up to 5 images in support of their request. By hitting the blue plus button, you can upload photos from your gallery or take new photos with your camera to attach to the repeat dispatch request. Once complete, click Next. The next page is a detailed confirmation page outlining all items within the request you're making. It shows customer info, contact name along with email, phone number, and address, reason for the repeat, diagnostics, and all notes you have entered supporting the dispatch request. Lastly, it lists all parts you've requested for the subsequent dispatch. Upon confirmation of the information, click Next. The next screen shows all available service windows for the customer when the repeat can be scheduled. Select the date and time option that best suits the customer's schedule and select Next. You will then be presented with a pop-up window asking for confirmation on the date and time for the repeat. By clicking Confirm, the dispatch will be processed and you will be routed to the service report sign-off steps within DFSM to close out the current customer dispatch. That's it! You've successfully completed a call within the Dell Field Services mobile application. As mentioned in the beginning of the tutorial, you can view all requests for new dispatches by clicking on the Requests tab at the bottom of the main My Assignments page to review statuses and see new DPS numbers once they've been assigned. Again, if you ever have any questions or feedback in using the tool, simply click on the upper left-hand corner of the screen, click Feedback, and send us your suggestions. Thank you for using DFSM, your one-stop application for best assisting Dell customers.